What is it that's special about the human brain that allows creativity to happen? What humans do that's special is we absorb all of these ideas, all these inputs, and we smush them up in various ways and come up with new things. We, during the evolution of the cortex, got a lot more space in between input and output. Other animals have these much closer together, so when they get some stimulus, they make essentially a reflexive response. In humans, inputs can come in and sort of percolate around and get stored and get thought about, and then maybe you make an output or maybe you don't. And there's one other thing that happened with the expansion of the cortex, which is that we got a much bigger prefrontal cortex. And that is what allows us to simulate what-ifs, to separate ourselves from our location in space and time and think about possibilities. Now there are almost 8 billion brains running around the planet, and as a result, the creativity of our species has gone up in this mad, amazing way because there's so much raw material to draw on.
It's useful to distinguish between intelligence and imagination. I like to view intelligence as all the things, all the thought processes, behaviors that allow us to learn what is, learn the way the world is. Imagination are all the processes that allow us to imagine what could be. A lot of creativity requires to learn what is so that we can go beyond it. But if we're just at the stage of learning what is, so we just have the knowledge, I don't think knowledge necessarily equals creativity. So creativity requires both intelligence and imagination.
We are trying to run complex modern lives, take in and make sense of more information than ever on brains that haven't changed biologically in 200,000 years. My message to you is that you need a second brain. A second brain is a personal system for knowledge management. It's note-taking. It's saving little bits of material and information in your environment and also your own thoughts to cultivate and retrieve and review it over time. And by saving all of these observations in one single centralized place, your second brain, you drastically increase the odds that you're going to notice how things connect and relate. And this is innovation. This is creativity. It's not inventing something from nothing. It is just applying a tool or a technique or an insight from one domain and then translating it to another one. That is the very essence of creativity.